Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the recipe. So friends, today I'm talking in this video that how you can make $4,000 or $5,000 per month. You can see me last 5 days my income is 4,014 US dollars just uploading document. So friends, let's see. You just need to upload your document, this type of the document, and make money this type of document per month. But where you can upload and which type of document you upload, I can tell you in this video step by step. So friends, don't skip the video. Watch this video. At the end of the video, how you can make 4,000 to $5,000 per day just uploading this type of document. So friends, let's see. I can give you the two website that you can upload your or one document. Such one of the best website is known as the studypool.com. This is an absolutely legit and reputable site. You can upload your document in this site. You can see here, earn money just selling your study document. I can give you the details proof where I upload my document and I can get paid from this site. You can see here all subject: business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health, all detailed subject are available, where you can upload. You can earn $5,000 per month just uploading your document. When your document sell student, you can make $10. So friends, let's see. When you upload your document and your document was approved and accept, and 1,000 student buy this document, and you can make $10,000 just uploading a single document. How you can make this money, I can give you. What to upload, you can see as past quiz, test, or practice problems, study guide. You can help to study the resource the student. You can see here there is a 10 million students are reading, are receiving this document from this studypool.com. So you can if you have any hard copy or soft copy, you can upload in this site your documents, and you can make money from this site. But how you can upload, I can give you. I am upload in this site. So friends, let's see the past homework. If you have a past homework or project or report, presentation, paper, you can upload in this document. And also you have in class note, lecture note, upload in this site, and to help the student learn and understand the academic concept. You can see here in this side the 10 million students are receiving this document from day to day. You can see here the top earner $160 million are already paid to these members, and you can see there 1 million. And the three people, the top earner in this site, just uploading document, and they can earn and 1.5, 1.6, 1.2, and 1.1 million dollars just uploading your document. You can just draw in this site. You can see here, upload your document and earn up to $10 per document sold. If you can upload your document, 10,000 student buy yours or document, and per into $10 you can make $1 million just single document. You just need, you don't have to time upload your document. You can drag your document in upload file, and yeah, all the file are remain in this site are submitted, and this study pool team your process your review all the details document that upload you by you, and then can upload it by this team. Where this means you just drag this document, and when you upload this, and you can just drag this document, all the details document you can see here as a submitted. You can see here I can drag and upload my document. All the details are submitted in from in the medical news I uploaded, and the latest life science discover I uploaded, and then the study pool team, the review, they review my document and they can upload for me. I can give you example. You can see here accepted means when am I uploaded, am I submitted, uploaded, already process was completed and already review was completed by study pool team, and then they can upload my document. You can see here my upload document, and I can give you the clear document uploaded one, and my earning in this document is zero because $0 I uploaded the document just 14 July. And when you see in this site, you can see here I uploaded already so 4 document. These are the submitted form. When the my review was completed, and they can the study pool team upload my document to the 10 million student. When the student purchase my document, I can make money from this site. So when this is an absolutely opportunity, I give you one of the best example. If you have any hard copy of your class note or your class note lecture project, you just need to scan this hard copy and upload in this site and make money from this site. One of the best opportunities. I can see you all the details my in this site are available, and one of the best, I can see, you just need to search in the Google study pool, and you will just come to still document, and then you go to this site, and you just need to drag and drop this file your and make money from this site. So friends, I tell you the another website that you can make money just uploading document this type of money. So the another website is known as the coursehero.com. Make every student our count. In this site you also make money. Such one document you just need to upload in the study pool document, you upload here, and also upload here coursehero.com and make money from this site. You can see here, when you sign up in this site, and I can see you first how you can make money just uploading document and refers your friend and earn money and become also a tutor in this site. So when you sign up in this coursehero.com, you come to this main page. I also come to this main page. You can see here my uploaded document, and West Bengal University means uploaded document. You just need to upload in this site, and when you just click here, you just need to log in this and upload your document, such type, and make money also from this site. This is on coursehero.com, and you can see here the neurogenetic neurogenetology. All the details is in PDF from I can upload in this site and also make money from this site. So friend, if you want to make 4,000 to $5,000 per month, you just need to upload your document in this site and make money from this site. This is so simple. Don't waste your time, and you can take your class note and scan and upload in this site and make money from this site. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to earn more money from this online, you can subscribe my channel, because I daily provide a video that you can make money from this site online. Thank you friend for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.